Hi, this is Grayson from KORONA Support. Perpetual inventories are useful for those businesses that prefer a little-by-little approach to inventories and dislike doing an annual inventory, as they can often be overwhelming depending on the items within the store. When you create a perpetual inventory, you can create a frequency of how often you would like lists to be generated for your employees to check inventory on. Depending on the frequency of the list generation, the system will allocate a certain amount of items to each list to make sure that all items are checked at least once a year. To start the creation of this perpetual inventory, we're going to want to navigate to Inventory, Inventories, and select New. We're going to name it, select the inventory type, select the date we want it to start, and select the store we want it to affect. Once I hit save, it'll put it in motion, and the first list will be created tomorrow, as it's Friday, on August 30th. The list will appear here once we go into inventories and check this tomorrow. However, I have an example of what that would look like. If we go to this perpetual inventory that I created and click into one of these, we'll see that the system determined that I need to check at least one product every inventory day to make sure that all my products have been checked at least once a year.